Hi guys, welcome to VIT Academy. I'm Mohammed Usman. Today we will take a look at backup and restore Outlook emails. We'll take a backup in PST files, copy in USB, and we can, use this file in different ways, like in import, export, and there is something in called adding a new account, or we can select we can go to the account setting and we can select our we can file we want or for any email address for this scenario so hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Let's take a look on Outlook and I will show you how we will take a backup. Like we'll go to export like here and we'll go to import and export. Import and export, we'll select we'll take a backup file in one file which will be our PST file, which here we'll go to the next. So you see here, if you see here, we have all our folders and all our email addresses listed here. We can select either a specific folder or we can select any email, or we can select one folder only. So if I select the email and check this box, it will include all folders and subfolders and every email inside all these subfolders as well. So in our case, I'm going to unselect this one. I will take backup of only inbox to save the time of backup. I'll click next. I will browse to select the location. I already have two files here. I will create another file with the name of backup, and I will let me copy this link. Maybe I need it to open it later. Okay, press OK. That's it. I will go to next. Here we can configure a password for this one, but I'm not gonna go to configure the password. We can configure a password for the security purpose, but I will configure it. I will use it blank, because if I configure a password here, it will ask me for the same password when I import file back in our Outlook. So I'll go OK, no password. It's taking backup. So this bar appears, shows that it's taking backup. I will go to file, import and export. From import and export, there is a way you can import file or even export file, but as I have shown you the import version here, export version here, I will go to another way to explore another thing in front of you, that you can go to account setting actually, and here you have all these are the data files for the specific emails, and we can go to any file and any location of any of these files. And I do remember that this file was in the same location like our other files. So this one is our backup file. I will take a backup. I can select any of these files if I want to add in our account setting. So this is to show you only. I'm not gonna do anything here. So I'll close this one. We can add file from here and we'll select backup, and we can still add, but add this one is cancelled. I can even replace any of these files, and we can select any one of these as a default file. Or in emails, I can select any email as a default email, or we can leave as it is. So this is all what we have here in setting. But there is another way, like when you add an account, new account in any new Outlook or operating system, you can go to manual. For example, you are going to add an account. Here you can select from browse, you can select the same file we have taken a backup. this scenario helps you when you are installing a new Outlook, and you are installing a new Outlook, adding your email in this scenario. So I'm gonna cancel it. So I have another video. You can see that video for adding account. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you like it, please share this video and subscribe my channel. It helps me to upload more videos.